In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on iCloud Keychain. If you've ever struggled to remember a login or find yourself typing the same details again and again, iCloud Keychain is your built-in solution. It securely saves your passwords, Wi-Fi logins, and card details, syncs them across your Apple devices, and autofills them when you need them. Once it's on, it works quietly in the background so you can sign in faster and stay organized. Before we turn it on, there are a few essentials. You need to be signed into iCloud with your Apple ID, you need two-factor authentication turned on for security, and you must have a device passcode enabled. These safeguards make sure only you can access your saved information. If any of these are missing, Keychain won't turn on and your device may prompt you to finish setup first. Ready to enable it on an iPhone or iPad? Start by opening the Settings app. At the top, tap your name to open your Apple ID settings. Next, tap iCloud. On the iCloud screen, look for Passwords or Passwords and Keychain, depending on your software version. Open that, then turn on Sync this iPhone. If you're asked to confirm with your device passcode or your Apple ID password, go ahead and do that. You might also be asked to confirm your identity as an extra layer of security. After that confirmation, you're done. iCloud Keychain is now enabled on this device. How do you know it's working? First, check that the toggle you just turned on is green. Then, go back to Settings and open Passwords. You should see your saved logins listed there. When you visit a website or open an app that uses the System Password Manager, you'll notice suggested usernames and passwords appear automatically above the keyboard, ready to autofill. The same goes for saved Wi-Fi networks and payment details when the app or site supports them. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. Make sure you're using the same Apple ID on your other Apple devices if you want your passwords to sync everywhere. Give it a moment after turning it on. iCloud may need a little time to update across your devices. Keep your passcode private and your device up to date for the best security and compatibility. And remember, if you ever change a password, Keychain updates it across your devices so you're always using the latest one. That's all there is to it. With iCloud Keychain on, you can sign in faster, stay secure, and let your